This is what every EPK should have for a musician. Now, EPK stands for Electronic Press Kit, kind of like a resume, but for musicians, and they're way cooler. Now, when you're putting together your EPK, you need to just decide what is it that I need to include in it that's relevant to whoever I'm reaching out. So, for example, if you're sending an EPK to a record label A&R, or if you're sending an EPK to a booking agent, those are two completely different things. You're gonna have two completely different sets of assets in each EPK. For example, if you're sending it to the record label A&R, you're probably gonna include your original music, music videos, stats about your fan, including how many social media followers you have, how much money you're generating, any accolades or awards that you've won, and of course, lots and lots of original music. Whereas if you're reaching out to a booking agent where you're trying to book shows singing cover songs, you're not going to include original music, for example. Instead, you're going to include a promo video of you singing maybe 6 songs that are familiar songs that people know, so you can show them that you know how to perform cover songs. Regardless of what kind of EPK you're creating, you should always include professional photos as well. But before you send it out, think, what am I trying to accomplish? And let me make sure that the media assets that are included in this EPK are relevant to the job that I'm trying to get, to the result that I'm trying to achieve. If you're a musician and you'd like more information on how to build your music career independently, check the description and I'll send you a link and you can sign up for free tips and tricks.